Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the TCL 4X 5G for Straight Talk. So this is a new budget phone for Straight Talk. It's available now for $99.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G phone on the cheap, the TCL 4X is worth checking out at Straight Talk. So the TCL 4X is available in black. This is the same phone as the TCL 5G that's available on Visible Wireless, but with a different name underneath of the phone. Same phone, different brand, different same phone, different branding, same specs and stuff like that. So yeah, this is the Straight Talk version of the TCL 5G. So yeah, the model number is T601DL. So this is what the phone looks like here. So you guys have your teardrop notch for your front-facing camera, earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. Pretty nice looking phone. So yeah, and you also got a Google Assistant key on the left side of the phone there, right there. Also on the left side is your micro SD and SIM card slot right here on the left. And then on the back of the TCL 4X 5G is your triple camera system along with your camera flash. You guys also have a fingerprint sensor on the rear, TCL logo, and your Straight Talk background logo on the back as well. It's available in black, like I said. Pretty nice looking phone. And yeah, it says here, simple, accessible technology. The TCL 4X 5G blends simplicity with the tech you need. The 6.52-inch HD Plus display, powered by Next Vision technology, and the dual speakers with high-res audio brings a cinematic experience to the palm of your hands. The long-lasting 4500 mAh battery lets you do more texting, streaming, browsing, and sharing moments. Keep it all productive and entertaining with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 5G chipset, octa-core processor, 4GB RAM, and an expandable 64GB ROM. Alright, so specs in here are not bad for what it is, not bad for $100. So yeah, the main selling point of the TCL 4X, that it does have 5G. That's the front, left side, and back. Very nice looking phone. So yeah. So it has Bluetooth 5.1, 4500 mAh battery, Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 5G processor, 2 GHz octa-core processor. It does have GPS, stuff like that, hearing aid, and all that good stuff. 35 hours of talk time on 5G, 42 hours of talk time on 4G, and 26 hours of talk time on 3G, which 3G will be shutting down soon for everybody anyway. So yeah, memory, like I said, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of RAM. You do have a micro SD card slot up to 512GB, so take advantage of that. And ignore the stuff what's in the box here, because this is not the iPhone 7 that we're looking at here. We're looking at the TCL 4X. So I don't know why they had the stuff for the iPhone 7 on this phone here, but ignore that. Hopefully who was ever responsible with doing this, hopefully they'll fix it so customers don't get confused. So I'm pretty sure in the box for the TCL 4X, you guys will get the TCL 4X smartphone, the charger, the charging brick, documentation, activation card, terms and conditions, and stuff like that. So yeah, I don't know why they showing stuff for the iPhone 7 what's in the box. So don't know why that is. The iPhone 7 is fucking 5 years old at this point. It's fucking obsolete as hell. So yeah, it's kind of interesting that they showed what's in the iPhone 7 box, but not the TCL 4X box. Hopefully they'll fix that so customers don't get confused, but we'll see. More features, performance, experience, responsive, powered with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 5G chipset and 4GB of RAM, paired with an expandable 64GB of memory. Power, stereo speakers, amplified your music, games and videos. Camera, the TCL 4X 5G delivers a dramatic, a dynamic triple camera solution with built-in camera modes to capture your everyday moments and still images or motion display. The TCL 4X 5G features a 6.52-inch HD Plus display powered by Next Vision technology, a movie-like experience with enhanced color, clarity, and contrast. So yeah, for $100, you're getting a pretty cool phone here. It looks very nice. The phone looks very nice. The specs on here are pretty decent, not bad for $100. The main selling point of the TCL 4X that it has 5G on Verizon's 5G network. So that is pretty cool. So you're getting 5G on Verizon towers here. So that's what Tower Straight Talk uses now. It's Verizon, and that is it. So yeah, if you guys want a budget 5G phone on Straight Talk, the TCL 4X is the phone to check out here. It's the same phone as the TCL 20A 5G at Visible Wireless, but with the different branding, same specs, and all that good stuff. So yeah, there you guys have it. The TCL 4X 5G is now available at Straight Talk for $99.99. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.